Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. I'm participating in a collaboration. It's every Tuesday, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Thank you ladies so much for inviting us all to share our beautiful tablescapes. Click the playlist and view all of the participants' lovely tables. Now, as you can see, that pumpkin that I purchased from the 99-cent only store, it has a pretty chocolate brown stem. So I went ahead and just used a little bit on a sponge here, and I just dabbed it until I got this look. Wanted to let the brown show through just a bit. The gold with this rich tone and this velvet just popped. I really like how it came out. Leaves, the lavender color maple leaves with a little bit of gold on them at Dollar Tree. So those two are my inspiration to create this table today. You'll see I'm using dark teal, lavender, and pops of gold. So I'm just going to go through the table here and let you guys see a few things before we get into our florals. Now check out these pretty velvet flowers. It matches with this beautiful pumpkin. Now these were a DIY. If you didn't see my video, go ahead and check that out. It was really simple to create. And these were from Hobby Lobby. I scored these for $4 each on clearance. Now let's get into these florals. Look how beautiful. All of these came from Michael's. Look at this, get into it. Now, I wanted to show you guys these on my last video. I do have larger ones, but I couldn't find the larger ones, so I have these tea lights. Check these out. Now on the bottom, you'll see those two little metal circles. When they hit water, they light up. I really, really like these, and I purchased them from Amazon. I do believe I can copy that link. If I can, I'll put it in the description. But check these out. As soon as they hit the water, they just light up. Perfect for if you have little ones. You don't want them bumping your table and starting a fire. So these are perfect for me. I do have the larger ones. When I find them, I'll use them in another video for you guys. But definitely, if you have little ones or if you just like LEDs, go ahead and purchase them. They're pretty reasonable. Nice little turn for those florals. I really, really love the blend of this lavender and teal. I had to slow it down for you guys. This is my first time using them. I bought them for my wedding and we didn't get to have it, so yeah. And here's the reveal. If you like these colors together, comment down below and let me know. Or if you would use another color with this dark teal or even the lavender. What color would you use? I'm curious to know. This to me was just a nice untraditional fall color theme. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Until the next time, be blessed.